Anhui Wire, environmental protection equipment. Kochi Ltd is a company that integrates the research and development, production, and manufacturing of solid waste treatment equipment.
A national high-tech enterprise integrating sales, service, installation, and after-sales.
Based in China, serving the global market.
With over 50 core patent technologies and ISO CE international certifications as our foundation, we provide reliable environmental solutions to more than 2,000 customers worldwide. We have a professional team in the fields of mechanics, automation, and electrical engineering, deeply engaged in the solid waste industry, providing single shaft shredders, crusher, hydraulic balers, and other equipment, as well as complete recycling solutions. The single shaft shredder has high torque, easily handling various high toughness materials, such as hard plastics and soft plastics like films and woven bags. Highly efficient crusher, suitable for the plastic industry, powerfully crushing various plastic waste with uniform output. Hydraulic baler effectively compresses PET bottles and various plastics, aiding efficient recycling and regeneration. In the future, we will inject new momentum into the development of the plastic recycling industry with higher quality products and services.